We have Miss Susie, she is the coach, and Joshua, he's a student, and you can't see her right now, but off to the side, Miss Chloe, a student, is going to be driving one of the robots into the shot here in just a moment, giving us a demonstration of what they do. So y'all are planning for a competition next month in Dallas. Tell us about that.
Yes, we are competing in the VEX Robotics. There will be over 800 teams from 50 different countries.
Wow.
We're talking about New Zealand, Australia, just to name a few, and all 50 states. It is just an honor just to be able to go to state of Mississippi, which is the first part that you have to get to before you can get to Worlds.
And this is a big deal for y'all. Y'all meet after school. It's expensive, right? So tell us how this all works. I mean, the students, you have to compete for this. They meet, they form teams and build these robots, right?
Absolutely.
That's what you start out with right there, right?
Well, we do start off with this. This is one of the first things that we do. And just to buy the metal itself is around $5,000, and that's for 4 teams.
Wow.
So we start off, and once they start building, they have to learn how to program, but not only do you have to learn how to program, you have to learn how the game works. And every year there's a different type of game. So I brought in today the different types of games that we've had in the past.
Okay.
Which Joshua can tell you a little bit more about that. So I'm going to let him talk about just the game.
So what are we looking at there, Mr. Joshua?
Okay. So this blue and the pole, that's 2021, 2022 season.
Okay.
And we have this red and blue cap here is 2019, 2020 season. These cubes are 2021 season.
Okay.
And then the cone back there in the back was in 2017.
So Miss Chloe has a robot here, and she's going to kind of give us a demonstration, I guess, right?
Yes.
All right, Miss Chloe,
Come
go
on
ahead.
in and bring
look
this.
at that.
She's going to, just some of the things that they can do. They have to learn how to program, drive.
Okay.
And then she can also, turn it around. She can knock things down as well.
Can it pick my pin up?
We're not quite that good yet.
But that's neat. So y'all have programmed all of that, everything we see.
Yes, the students have.
The students have programmed all of that. That's amazing. They can use this, these skills after high school. I mean, tell us some of the applications they can do.
Yes, absolutely. In mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, that's why we were at the Columbus Air Force Base at the air show. So it's one of the things that lead up to it. So not only are you doing engineering, but they're also building relationships, and they're making connections. In addition to critical thinking, problem solving, that's just some of the things that they're able to do as well.
That's amazing.
So, yeah, it is. And computer science. So computer science is definitely one of the things that they... Now, we're after school. Anyone can do this. This is the VEX Robotics program. It is one of the largest robotics competition in the world. And you just have to contact VEX. They can be homeschoolers. It can be after school. It can be in a school.
Wow.
So,
and y'all are going to be coming up later in the show to show us some more and talk more about the competition coming up. It's a huge, huge accomplishment that y'all are going to Dallas. And we're going to talk more about that later on in the show. And I want to see some more demonstrations with the robot. So don't y'all go away. Don't you go away. We have more Sunrise Saturday straight ahead.